Checking the password of your Gmail account directly is not possible for security reasons. Gmail and Google prioritize protecting your privacy and security, so they do not provide an option to view your password. However, if you need to access your password, you can reset it or recover it through a few simple steps. To reset your Gmail password, go to the Gmail sign-in page and click on the Forgot Password link. You will be asked to enter your email address, after which Google will guide you through a series of recovery options, such as sending a verification code to a linked phone number or recovery email. If you have access to these, you can use them to verify your identity and reset your password. In cases where you don't have access to a recovery email or phone number, you may be asked additional security questions or requested to provide other information related to your account to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, you can set a new password. For future reference, consider using a password manager to securely store and retrieve your passwords, ensuring you don't forget or lose access to important account details.